Hey loves, welcome back to my kitchen. Now in today's video we are making this super simple yet super delicious Creole recipe, avocado and farine balls. So let's get cooking. Now this recipe is super simple guys. You're going to need an avocado and some farine, and that's basically what you need. Those are your main ingredients. Now the farine is made from the cassava plant that we have here on the island. I have here about 3/4 cups, but we're going to add it gradually, 1/4 cup at a time, so we don't have too much. Now this avocado I am going to cut, and we are going to use about half of the avocado. Now this half of the avocado is about 8 ounces. So we are going to add it to our bowl and just crush it up. Now guys, you want to crush the avocado until it is nice and smooth, till there are little to no bumps in between. Now while we're crushing, we are going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix that up. Now once that is mixed in, we are going to add our farine, 1/4 cup at a time. Now guys, we're adding the farine gradually because we don't want for us to put too much farine in there. So when we add it gradually, we get to the point where we see it can, form into a nice ball, and then we stop. Switch over to our spatula. Now guys, you just continue this folding motion until you get to the point where you see that it's coming together like this. Then you know that it's ready to start rolling. Now before we start rolling, I am adding another 1/4 cup of the farine to the bowl, so that once we do the rolling, we put it into the farine a little bit so it gives it that nice coat on the outside. So this is about a tablespoon amount, and with clean hands, we are going to just bring it together and roll it into a ball. Now guys, at this point you can make this as big or as small as you want, whatever size you desire or whatever amount of people that you're making for. If you want it to stretch a little bit, then you can make it a little smaller, but this is the size that I normally go for. It's about a tablespoon, and you roll it into this beautiful green ball. It looks so smooth and beautiful guys. I will toss it around into our farine, give it a nice little coating, just to add that little extra layer. Roll it around our hands a little bit again so that that farine is pressed in. And here you have it, our farine and avocado balls. Now at this point you can leave it like this. Quite a few people leave it like this because you like to see all the colors on there. I like to add the farine extra on the outside just to give it that little extra something when you're done. So here we have it, loves, our avocado and farine balls, or like we call it on the island, our pear and farine balls, because we call avocado pears here. But this is it. This is one of the most popular recipes that we make during the independence season. There is never a breakfast without avocado and farine. Let me know in the comment section below if you have ever had it. Let me know if you try, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.